Today I've got another small project that I'm working on. I have bought a Molle panel for the passenger side of the hardtop for the Jeep. Got it off of Amazon, shipped within a couple weeks, and it looks like it's pretty easy to install. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it. First, we'll unpackage it. Let's get it opened up and take a look at the hardware. I know, I have a knife on me. All right, so looks to be pretty good quality stainless steel. All the pieces are powder coated, and this Molle panel actually got really good reviews on Amazon. The thing that people suggested is if you have a colored hardtop, you should probably put a piece of felt or something in the channel so it doesn't scratch the paint. Bag of screws and washers. Looks to all be there. All right, I found a Torx bit that will work, and so I'm gonna get started. So apparently these are the spacers, and you get 3 of them, and I don't know, there's no directions, so I don't know what size goes to what. And here's the directions. Like, super vague. All right, so you can see what I've got going on here. Like I said, they give you 3 different size of these spacer brackets, and when you size them up to the holes, the longer one goes on the top part of the panel, and then the shorter one that's going to go on the bottom part of the panel. I have no idea what these little ones are for with the 1 hole. Don't know, so we're going to put that aside. But the spacer goes behind the holes here. Hopefully you can see that. And then we take the bracket's gonna go on there. And then it's gonna be so one of the long bolts, and then a locking washer, and then a flat washer. So that's what we're gonna screw into this. So you'll just set that in there, line up the holes, and this goes on top, and then just feed it through the hole. And you just want to install this loosely, and then we'll mount it on the Jeep. The top part, we'll mount it on the Jeep, and then we can do the bottom rails. Now we're gonna go set it on the Jeep and get the rest of this install done. Broken nail. So they don't tell you if these are supposed to be the long screws or the short screws. Thinking long screws. That's what I got in there, so hopefully that works. I guess we're gonna find out. It's a gorgeous day here in Minnesota. It's a little over 40 degrees, finally. We've had, like the rest of the country, I'm sure, pretty rough winter. It's been really cold. All right, so I have each of the brackets in the right channel underneath the hard top, and so now what I'm going to do is, it says to tighten the top ones first, but I think what I'm going to do is just kind of equally tighten them. Maybe I'll get the top ones snug first and then work my way down to the bottoms, but let's see what happens here. Gotta make sure I have it centered over the window, and it's covering my sticker, my YouTube lady Rocklander sticker, but it's all right. I'll be in disguise, incognito. Pretty tight. They don't give you the torque specs. So I'm going to be carrying my shovel on here and hopefully my Rotopacks. But I don't know what the weight load is on this, so I might have to call the manufacturer on that one. That's pretty good. Pretty secure. Now I just have to get some number 10 bolts and install my quick fists on here so I can get my shovel on here. All finished, and I will put a link in the description down below so that you can check it out for yourself.